Cultivating your green thumb, effortless flower bed designs for aspiring gardeners. Gardening not just a hobby, it's an art form that invites nature into your home and transforms your outdoor space into a vibrant sanctuary. For those embarking on this rewarding journey, discovering simple flower bed designs can make a world of difference. This article offers essential beginner gardening tips, showcasing easy flower arrangements and clever landscaping ideas that will help you nurture your very own garden oasis. Starting with simple flower beds. When considering flower bed designs, simplicity is key, especially for beginners. Opting for straightforward layouts allows you to focus on the plants themselves rather than the complexities of design. A rectangular or circular flower bed can serve as the perfect canvas, offering ample space to play with color and texture. Beginner gardening tips for success. To ensure your foray into outdoor gardening is successful, begin with plants that are known for their robustness and low maintenance. Marigolds, petunias, and zinnias are excellent choices for those just starting out. These flowers not only add beauty but also attract pollinators, enhancing your garden's ecosystem. Incorporating native plants is another smart beginner gardening tip, as they're usually more resilient and better suited to your local climate. Home gardening ideas to inspire you. As you delve deeper into home gardening, don't be afraid to experiment with different layouts and combinations. Consider creating a tiered flower bed to add dimension to your garden, or incorporating a mix of perennials and annuals to ensure ongoing blooms throughout the seasons. Use mulch to maintain soil moisture and reduce weeds, making your flower beds easier to manage. easy flower arrangements for all seasons. Once your flower beds are established, you can explore easy flower arrangements to enhance your home's interior. Cut flowers from your garden can bring a touch of nature indoors, with simple arrangements bringing joy and freshness to any room. A mix of colors and heights can create stunning focal points, while also showcasing your gardening prowess. Green thumb tips for lifelong gardening. To cultivate a truly flourishing garden, embrace the philosophy of learning from your experiences. Every gardener encounters challenges, but understanding what works and what doesn't is part of the journey. Keep a gardening journal to track your progress, noting which flower bed designs thrived and which could use improvement. Please consider supporting our channel by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. Your engagement greatly helps us in delivering more high-quality content. Thank you for your continued support. Conclusion, with the right flower bed designs, beginner gardening tips, and a sprinkle of creativity, you can unleash your inner green thumb. Whether you're planting simple flower beds or crafting intricate arrangements, the rewards of outdoor gardening are boundless. So grab your trowel and get ready to transform your outdoor space into a blooming paradise.